Have you ever struggled to understand how attackers bypass Windows defenses like AMSI, Microsoft Defender or EDRs? Or maybe you're looking to level up your red teaming game by mastering stealth and evasion techniques used in the real-world scenarios. If so, then you're exactly where you need to be. Welcome to the Windows Evasion Bootcamp, a 4-week hands-on program designed to build your foundation skills in Windows evasion techniques and prepare you for advanced adversary simulation. This bootcamp is tailored for cybersecurity professionals and aspiring red teamers who want to understand what it really takes to bypass modern defensive technologies. It's 100% focused on practical evasion skills, blending in core theory with real-world labs using elastic EDR and other tools used by attackers and defenders alike. You will go far beyond the basics, exploring Win32 APIs, AMSI emulation, PowerShell and .NET obfuscation, API hooking, ETW telemetry, and so much more. Everything is taught through structured labs that mirror actual attacker behavior. At the end of the program, you will test your knowledge through a practical exam to earn your Certified Windows Evasion Practitioner certification, a valuable credential that demonstrates your ability to safely simulate advanced evasion techniques in an enterprise environment. This training is career-focused and built for those who want to become truly dangerous, but in the best way possible. Understanding the mechanics of evasion, developing a stealth mindset, and simulating adversaries with precision and creativity. And who's leading the way? Hi guys, I am Siddharth, a security consultant at Redfox Security. I have focused all my research on evasion tactics and compiled all my real-world experience into this bootcamp, so you can learn what really works out there in the field. So what will you learn during this 4-week intensive bootcamp? In the first week, we start with the core foundations. You get an introduction to evasion, set up your lab, and understand how enterprise defensive solutions operate. We'll cover programming basics, dive into Windows processes and threads, explore the Win32 API, and learn how to emulate AMSI to begin shaping your evasion mindset. In week 2, we shift gears into PowerShell and .NET internals. We'll focus on obfuscation techniques for strings, PowerShell scripts, and .NET binaries. This week culminates in bypassing Windows Defender through various payload transformation techniques that help hide malicious activity in plain sight. In the third week, we move into endpoint detection and response. You'll learn the fundamentals of how EDRs detect activity and then dive into API hooking and event tracing for Windows. We'll set up a dedicated EDR lab so you can explore how evasion tactics actually perform against live detection engines and build your confidence with each hands-on scenario. The final week is all about real-world application, working directly with elastic EDR, learning how to interpret alerts and using that feedback to improve your stealth. You'll execute malicious .NET binaries under EDR scrutiny, perform low-noise DC sync attacks, blind the EDR, and learn how to blend your activity into normal system noise. We'll wrap up with a look ahead into advanced evasion tactics and the path towards adversary emulation. By the end of this bootcamp, you'll have a strong technical foundation in bypassing Windows defenses, hands-on experience simulating stealthy attacks, and the certification to prove it. This is your launchpad into advanced red teaming, malware development, and adversary emulation. So, are you ready to take your skills to the next level and become a certified Windows Evasion practitioner? Enroll now and let's get stealthy.